want to talk about taking dog into the woods with you. It can be a good thing, and also it can be a very bad thing, and more likely that it will be a bad thing. First of all, a good thing is that a dog will alarm you for any danger, and that's great, right? Sometimes not. From my own experience, I did a lot of horror nighters because I'm in this for 8 years now, and I'm planning to upload one fun video from around 7 years ago. It will be very interesting to see. And sometimes at night, if he barks and you don't see anything around you, it can bring a little bit of panic. It's just normal thing, you know, we are humans, we're afraid of dark. That's something that's normal for us, just as, you know, fear of height and stuff like that. And then you can panic, which is not a good thing, but in that moment you have to stay calm because everything around at night comes alive, which is normal. Animals want to know who is in their backyard. At your home, if you hear someone in your backyard, of course, what's your reaction? You'll go there to see what's going on. So it works same in here. It's just, you know, I mean, their place, and you have to act like that, you know, not to here to cut, destroy, just make the shelter, eat something, go home. No, we're here to enjoy, and we need to adapt to nature. And I don't want to disturb any wildlife here. Just leave it as it is. I'm just here as a visitor, and that's simply it. If you think like that, you won't have any problems. I don't take that aggressive way of taking a, I don't know, sometime shotgun or something like that. With good precautions, it's not necessary. It's really not. You won't have any problems, and just follow the rules of nature. Second thing is, keep your dog always near yourself. Now, why is that? Give me a minute. If your dog sees a bear, for example, and he runs for him, what do you think is going to happen? Most likely, I'm sure 100% that dog will come to a bear and he'll realize that bear is 10 times bigger than him. What is his next move? He'll come back to you, to his owner, because he looks at you as a protection, and bear will most likely come with him. Then you have a problem. So always keep your dog to yourself. And I don't know, I'm like 50-50 in the recommendation to taking your dog with you for overnighter or a few days in the wood, especially if you do this kind of stuff, because I'm really not very close to the road, and I'm always on a different location. I don't make shelter and then come 10 times here. I like to move, to change the types of shelter, and just do bushcraft, because this is what it is.